On October 9th, Pakistan launched a wave of airstrikes inside Afghanistan. Targets spanned Kabul, Khost, Jalalabad, Paktika, aimed at the Pakistani Taliban TTP leadership. One name stood out: Noor Wali Mehsud, the TTP chief. Residents in Kabul reported loud explosions. Afghan officials and local media confirmed damage and casualties, but the initial numbers were unclear. Soon after, TTP released an unverified audio saying Mehsud survived, then a video claiming he escaped. Two senior TTP figures were confirmed killed in the Kabul strike. Mehsud's status stayed disputed, fueling claims and counterclaims. By October 10th and 11, the border lit up. Taliban units hit Pakistani military posts near Spin Boldak. Pakistan responded with heavy fire and drones over Kandahar and Helmand. Each side said the other suffered serious losses. The numbers didn't line up. Pakistan claimed it killed more than 200 militants. The Taliban said it killed 58 Pakistani soldiers. Pakistan officially acknowledged fewer. None of these tallies were independently verified. October 15th was the deadliest day around Spin Boldak. Taliban spokespeople first reported at least 12 civilians killed. Local Kandahar sources said up to 29 dead and 122 wounded, many women and children. The next day, health officials said the Afghan side death toll had risen to 40, with at least 171 injured, several critical. UN monitors documented at least 17 killed and 346 injured in Spin Boldak alone. Additional casualties were reported in Paktika, Kunar, Helmand. The exact counts vary, but the civilian toll was unmistakable. Diplomacy tried to catch up. A 48-hour truce was announced, then briefly extended. Within hours, Pakistan launched fresh strikes in Paktika's Argun district, Barmal district, with reports residential areas were hit. A senior Taliban official declared the ceasefire broken. Pakistani and Afghan delegations were moving toward talks in Doha. In Islamabad, rhetoric hardened. Pakistan's defense minister warned relations couldn't continue as before, called for Afghans in Pakistan to return, and vowed a heavy price for cross-border attacks. This escalation didn't happen in a vacuum. Pakistan tied the provocation to the Taliban foreign minister's visit to India. India said it would reopen an embassy in Kabul. Behind all of this, TTP violence has surged. One tracker logged at least 600 TTP attacks in the past year, with 2025 activity already topping 2024. So where does that leave things? A disputed strike on a top militant, retaliation along a tense border, competing body counts, a brief truce, then more strikes. Civilians caught in the middle. I'm watching for three signals. Verified casualty data from neutral monitors. Whether Doha talks restart in earnest. Any credible update on Mehsud's status. Until then, the picture is fluid, the claims are contested, and the costs, for ordinary people, are already clear.